Hi, this is Tom with a quick tip for BricsCAD, and today we'll be talking about a very useful tool which is called VPLAYER or Viewport layer, which enables you to freeze a layer in all of the viewports on all of your sheets in the whole drawing. So let's see the problem that I have here. I have been working on this file for a while. And just now I created these hatches which represent the floor pattern. And I want to see this hatch only on the sheets, which is this one, floor type plan. Okay, so this is nice. But I don't want to see the hatch in electrical plan, reverse ceiling plan, and I've got these simple rooms which I don't want to see the hatch pattern here. Okay, so I could click into this viewport, freeze the layer in the viewport, click outside, then I have to go to this other sheet, click inside this layer, this viewport, freeze the layer, click outside. I have to do this again and again and again. So instead of doing it one by one, we can use the simple tool VPLAYER. Okay, so how do we do that? So I choose one of the viewports, and I have to click inside of the viewports. It doesn't matter which one is it. Then I type in the command VPLAYER, viewport layer. Now I read what BricsCAD is asking me to do. I want to freeze layer, so I choose F. And BricsCAD asks me which layer I want to freeze. Now this is not very handy, but I have to just type in the name of the layer by hand, and it has to be exactly the name of the layer. So I type A dash hatch underscore floor. Okay, and now it asks me if I want to freeze the layer which I have chosen in all, select it, or just the current viewport. I can choose all, A, hit enter. And now I hit escape, I end the command. And you can see already in this viewport, the layer is frozen. I click outside of the viewport and I check the other viewports. I can check the electrical plan, reverse ceiling plan, standard plan. In all of the viewports, the layer is frozen. When I look into my model, the layer, I can work with it here. So all of the viewports, the layer is frozen there. But when I look at the floor type plan, the layer is frozen here and I want to have it visible here. Okay, so I can just click inside of the viewport, and now I can unfreeze or thaw this layer in this viewport, and I have it visible only in this viewport, and all of the other viewports I have it turned off or frozen. Okay, hope this helps. Take care.